What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm with Will.
Hello.
We're gonna do something ultimate. We have cat in the backpack part 2. We're gonna be taking my cat into the coffee store and we're just gonna get some reactions. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys.
You have to buy it.
So we're going into the store right now. Let's open it up. Come on in. Alright, let's do this, Will.
Okay, so our first question is, do you have any dog food for our cat?
Dog food for a cat?
Yeah.
Well, as far as dog food, the only thing we have is like a little pup cups with the whipped cream.
Let's do it.
Your cat likes whipped cream. Is there anything else I can get for you?
Just a cake pop.
A cake pop? Birthday cake pop?
Yeah, sure. It's my birthday.
$2.45. I'm guessing that.
You split this?
Okay, guys.
So Will's right there.
I'm right here, and Lucy's right there. We're just dining.
Oh.
I got Lucy some whipped cream. There you go, Luce. All right. Peace. Okay, guys. So we have Lucy in a basket. We're going grocery shopping.
Wait, where do we enter?
Just this way. Just enter this way.
So there's the white bowl.
We have a cat in the store. All right, turn that way.
We have a cat in the store. Just a regular backpack. Oh my gosh. Just a regular.
Hello, like our cat? Dope.
Her name is Benjamin.
We already got a good reaction, boys. All right, Lucy, what do you want?
We
You
can
get-
explode some cokes.
Oh, that's true. We could. Lucy, you can get anything you want. All right, what do you want?
Now you know when she points at something.
Okay, I'll let you know which one. Lucy, what are you gonna point at? She says go to the refrigerator aisle.
Oh, I see a refrigerator right here.
Gotta go to the refrigerator aisle. Lucy wants it.
Okay.
Right. Lucy says go right. Lucy says if you don't go right. Lucy says make a U-turn.
No, we're gonna go in here.
She says what? Oh,
you want some
Lucy.
supplies?
No, 65 cents for that?
Oh gosh.
We might have to get some.
We don't have enough. It's probably
Okay,
$1.
Luce, there you go. There you go. Cat food. Oh yes, let's get this guy. Get this guy through. No reaction. Why does nobody care about our cat?
We should get some $20 wine.
Oh, dude, why does... Follow him. Follow him.
Wait, excuse me?
Yeah?
Do you guys know where the dog food is?
It's a few hours away.
Because we need to feed her, so... Oh, make a Yui, Will. They want to see the cat. This is a cat.
Oh, cutie pie. I've seen these before.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's either this row or the next one.
All right, let's do it. Pretty dark.
Hi there. That is so cute.
Thank you.
I love it. Yeah, what are you talking about? Is it a boy cat?
It's a
A
girl.
girl cat? Oh, wow. She don't mind being in there?
No, she actually likes it.
My kitty cat has a fit when I try to put her in something.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, fighting fit.
She loves it.
Should we check out here?
Still some person in there.
Thank God.
Yeah. All right, no worries. Yeah.
All right, let's get some reaction.
Okay, you gotta ask.
Okay, let's go. This way. No, this way, I guess. Yeah. I can't. This is store number 3. back the workers looking at us like we need to. Okay, guys. The cat is very happy. Cat has a treat that we bought. Cat's eating. Yeah.
Other cat
See you guys later. This cat's jealous, but you didn't come.